Deciding whether to eat food from a train's pantry car involves balancing convenience against concerns about hygiene, variety, and pricing. While pantry cars are essential for long-distance travel, many modern passengers are shifting toward alternatives like e-catering and home-cooked meals. Considerations for pantry car meals: convenience and availability. Pantry cars provide easy access to basic meals like thalis, snacks, and tea right at your seat. The quality of food on Indian train tickets is highly variable, ranging from tasty and safe in premium trains to poor and unhygienic in standard express services. While recent years have seen some progress in standards, it remains a frequent point of complaint among travelers. Quality breakdown by train type: premium trains, Rajdhani, Shatabdi, Vande Bharat, Tejas generally, these offer better quality and more presentable meals, with catering charges often included in the ticket price. However, recent reports have still flagged issues like insects or unhygienic preparation even in these top-tier services. Express and mail trains. Food quality is often reported as subpar or poor. Meals may be stale, cold, or cooked in unhygienic conditions. Deciding to eat pantry car food depends on your preference for convenience versus quality, as pantry meals offer readily available, cost-effective options, but often suffer from limited variety and varying hygiene standards. While pantry cars are now using cleaner, flameless cooking methods, many passengers prefer ordering fresh, diverse food online via IRCTC e-catering or other apps for better quality and variety, which is especially useful on long journeys. Hygiene and quality concerns. Quality can be inconsistent. While Indian Railways has implemented measures like CCTV monitoring and FSSAI certification for base kitchens, reports of unhygienic conditions, mass-cooked bland food, and even pests like cockroaches sometimes occur. Pricing. Standard meals are sold at pre-notified tariffs, but some passengers report issues with overcharging by pantry staff. Limited menu. Options are often restricted to standard vegetarian or non-vegetarian thalis, which can become monotonous over multiple days. Better alternatives for a more reliable dining experience: consider these options. IRCTC e-catering. You can order restaurant-style meals through the IRCTC Food on Track app or Rail Recipe. These services deliver fresh, hot food from FSSAI-approved local restaurants directly to your seat at major stations. Home-cooked food. Bringing non-perishable items like methi theplas, puris, or dry snacks is often considered the safest and most hygienic choice. Station food stalls. Major junctions have authorized food plazas and stalls, like Jan Ahar, that may offer more variety than the onboard pantry. Packed home food. The safest, most personalized, and hygienic option for short